everyone, I hope you're well. Today I am back at Port Vale. It's so good to be back. I was actually here yesterday for the kit launch and I'm back again today. I didn't film anything yesterday, so I'm going to film things today, show you around. It was actually really busy by the time I got here yesterday. The sun was shining, it was really good. So hopefully it'll be the same today. It's actually really cloudy right now, but I'm hoping that people will turn up. But I'm going to buy me and my dad shirts, so the new home shirt, but my dad's not here with me, so I'm gonna buy him today and then tomorrow I'll carry on with the video and surprise him. So we'll have like a little, ooh, look what I got you. I've got on the new Port Vale bucket hat. It's really, really nice, and then I've got my Wembley hoodie with me as well. I'm really kitted out. I've actually got a new Fred Perry t-shirt on as well. Just all new things, but yeah, I'm really excited to get my hands on the new shirt. Luke, who's just walking ahead, where is he gone? There he is. He had got his yesterday. It looks really nice. I don't think I'm going to get anything printed on the back. I was thinking getting my dad something printed, but I'll just ask him, and then if he wants something, we can come back when we come to the first game. Cider for £1. Okay, so I've got my shirt, I've got my dad's shirt. I'll show you it on later, and then tomorrow I'll surprise my dad with his. Okay, so it's now the next day. Please excuse what I look like. I've not felt the best today. But I've just got on the top. Look how nice it is. So I got mine in a women's medium. I thought I would have got large, but women's medium fits so well. The women's is just more like fitted, so it just goes in more, which is nice, because last year I just used to wear Luke's large men's, so this is totally different, but it fits so nice. I am debating getting something printed on the back, but I'm gonna see if my dad wants anything printed, and maybe we can go together. How much are they? I totally forgot. 44? I think they're £44. Oh my god, that was close. But anyway, so here it is. It's so nice. Darryl Clark's Black and White Army, what can I say? But yeah, my dad's going to be back any minute now, so I'm going to get him to come in and be like, oh dad, surprise, look what I got. And then I'll be like, actually I got you one as well. Well, surprise, crazy. So hopefully he'll be happy with it. But yeah, I absolutely love this so much. I forgot to say that the print on the sleeves is actually the ground, which I did not notice at first, and then Luke told me. I was like, oh my god, oh, my dad's here. But yeah, how cool is that? That's literally Vale's ground, like you can see it there. It's cool. So I really like that. So yeah, he's back. I'll get him to come upstairs. Surprise time. Okay, so I've put my jumper on because I think I'm gonna get him to come up, and then I'll be like, oh, like I just want to, you know, end my vlog and then reveal it. So now my dad, he's just got home from work, and as I was saying to him, I've just been filming a vlog at Port Vale for their release for their kit, and I thought I'd show you something. Close your eyes. Open.
Oh, yeah, that's nice, isn't it?
Good, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, it could fit that, isn't it?
Yeah, I got a women's medium.
Alright, yeah. Fits well, that.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah,
What do
super.
you like it?
Well, is that what you got yesterday? Oh, you got it when you were there yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, that's super.
Good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's nice, yeah. Nice design on the shoulders.
Doing a bit thing. Yeah, that's ground, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's Vale's ground.
Oh, right.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I didn't see that, no. Yeah,
See
oh,
that?
yeah, cool, yeah, I can see it now, yeah.
Cool, isn't it?
I didn't see it.
And then I also got myself the promotion t-shirt.
Sit together so strong. Well, yeah, it's good, that, yeah.
And then
It goes well, that.
yeah, like that. And then got you one. You like it? Oh, you need to open it.
Yeah. It's good, that, yeah.
Got you medium, small, look quite small.
Yeah, I do.
And people said, the woman said, all people have said to size up. Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice fit, that
Yeah, that's
isn't
ideal,
it?
that, yeah.
That's nice.
Good
That's
fit,
smart,
that.
that is.
Yeah, that's super.
You like it?
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if you wanted anything printed, so I just left that.
Yeah.
But if you do, we can always go back. It's just £15 for whatever you want.
No, it's
That's
nice,
it,
that.
like,
Yeah,
the
it's
name
good,
and
good fit,
everything.
that, mate.
That was really nice. That was
Oh,
it.
thank you very much.
That was
yeah.
really nice for you.
Yeah, super, that, yeah. Yeah, it's good, yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Here we are. Come on, Vale. Let's have it. So there we are. I'm just going to end the video. As you can see, I think my dad was very chuffed with his prize. I think it looks really good in it. So yeah, here we are. Very excited for the season to start, get back into the games. And yeah, very excited times ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.